Today we are trying to find the volume of a trapezoid prism. The rectangle is 22 by 28 inches long, as you can see in the vertical net sketch. We are subtracting 1 inch from the 22 inches to make a flap, so it would end up being 21 inches long. In this sketch, we have to find the measurements for H, X, B, small b, and C. By looking at the sketch, we can already get two formulas, which are 2x, which is this one and this one, plus big B plus small b. And it would have to give us 21 because we already subtracted the 1, so it's 21. And then the other formula would be 2h, which is those two, plus c, which is this one, and it would have to give us 28 because that's the total length of the paper.
If there is a 60-degree angle on a triangle, it is a equilateral triangle, which means the other two angles are 30 and 90 degrees. In an equilateral triangle, you can find any measurement. The hypotenuse is the longest side, which is directly across from the 90-degree angle. The hypotenuse is equal to twice the length of the short leg. The longer leg is equal to multiply the shorter leg by the square root of 3. This is why h is equal to the square root of 3 over 2x.
If big B equals little b plus x, and then we plug it into our equation, and then we simplify it, which is 3x plus 2 little b equals 21, and then subtract it because we're trying to solve for little b, we get the equation of 21 minus 3x over 2. If we already solved for h, and it's the square root of 3 over 2x, and plug it into our equation of 2h plus c equals 28, and then we're trying to solve for z and convert it to the other side, which is c equals 28 minus the square root of 3x. So for a trapezoid prism, we already know the formula for the volume is big B plus little b over h times z. And we plug in what big B equals, which is little b plus x. And then we simplify it, which is there's now 2 little b's plus x over 2 times h times z. And then we already solved for our h, our z, and our b equation. We plug them all in, and then these two cancel out, and then x and negative 3x, that means it'll be negative 2x. And that's how we get our equation and plug it in the calculator. When we plug it in the calculator, x equals 4.15, y equals 475, x equals 4.15. We plug it in z and it equals 20.812. We plug it in h and it equals 3.5394. Plug it in little b and it equals 4.275. These are in inches, and we plug it in big B and it equals 8.425. So now we need to convert them to centimeters. Once converted into centimeters, you can start building your trapezoid prism.